How to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. I'll show you how because this will spice up your Instagram feed. So firstly, let's open the app and tap plus button on the bottom of the screen to create new post. Now make sure that here on the bottom you selected post, not story, reel, and so on. Just go through your list and choose photos you would like to add. To select multiple, click the little 2 square icon in the top right. And now you can add up to 20 photos or videos in your next post. So let's choose not this one, but those 4 photos with Labubu. Great. Now click next in the top right. And it will immediately suggest you to find your vibe, so you can add some filters, but we are interested in music. Just take a look at the top and you will see suggested audio. You can tap on it and then click add if you like this one, but if not, you can always click on the music icon on the bottom of the screen and go through the suggested audio list. You can also switch to trending, original audio, or saved. To listen the audio, just click on it once. And if you're satisfied, just tap the arrow on the bottom. Let's choose this one and I'm going to tap the arrow. Great. Now click next. I'm going to tap OK. View the audio right here, the name of the song. And if everything is fine, just click share. Now anyone will be able to scroll through your photos with the cool music. Just like that. And by the way, you can also select photos. Let's choose again 2 photos, click next. I'm gonna tap on the music on this one, and you can also click this section on the bottom, click the arrow, and you can always adjust the timeline of the song. So click on 90 seconds icon and change clip duration to, for example, 10 or 15 seconds. Great. Now click done once again and just post your photos. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to see more useful content.